Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode, I'll be doing the unboxing and just a simple review of this Bluetooth speaker. So in terms of capability, USB input, it comes with radio in terms of FM band, Bluetooth, and it is 400 watts. In terms, it comes with the TWS function. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what it look like. So USB Type-C cable, of course, come with a simple user guide, and this is it well packaged. And here you go, so really handy, can actually hold it like this. Comes with a speaker there, definitely can see it there. Actually,
Bluetooth is ready to connect.
Turn on. They're saying Bluetooth is ready to connect. As you can see, really handy. Think of it, purchase it and actually got it on Amazon for about $17. As you can see, really colorful. Right, so once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.